Hi, this is Dr. Bob Payne from Miami, Florida at South Kendall Animal Clinic. Let's talk about some dog paw problems, health problems. There can be multitude like everything else. It could be a foreign piece of material in there. It could be an infection secondary to allergies. Sometimes they lick their paws. If they lick their paws, turn the paw over and check and see if there's anything like a thorn or a piece of foreign material in there. Rinse it out if that's the case. Sometimes they have nail bed infections where the nail bed gets infected from maybe a trauma or chronic wetness. The biggest thing we see in our practice is allergies, and they lick their paws all the time because it itches and they get foreign allergens on it. And so by rinsing it off and washing it with a disinfectant like chlorhexidine will help a lot clear that up. If they're chewing or acting like it's really painful, we recommend going to the veterinarian, having x-rays or having an exam. We do what we call a cytology on it, where we actually look at the bacteria or yeast that are present, and then we treat it accordingly. But look at all the toes, palpate the wrist or the joint above the toes and see if there's any pain in there. Again, if there's no paw inflammation, it could be a fracture or a dislocation or a sprain, and that requires medical care. If we're licking the paws and painful, keep them restricted and just rinse it out as much as you can without hurting the dog or yourself. If there's a laceration or a deep cut, then rinse it out with peroxide, and if you have betadine chlorhexidine, rinse it out with that. And again, bandage it lightly and keep them inside and call your veterinarian. Sometimes the allergies will be itchy. Sometimes we'll use Benadryl if it's an acute itch, and sometimes that helps. And we use that about 0.5 milligram per pound once. And if it doesn't seem to respond well to that, then you probably should call your vet again. Paw problems are, again, multitude of problems we see with them, and it can be anything from cancer to fractures to infection.